Hello friends, good evening. Today's video is about crude oil analysis. Since we have crude oil inventory and forecast by 9 p.m. IST today, hope this video might help someone. And all my videos and analysis are purely for educational purpose. If you are trading or if you are taking any trades based on this, I would suggest and recommend to do your analysis before getting into it. When crude is viewed in a larger time frame, that is in daily and weekly, we can be definite about one point that it is following a very strong downtrend, and maybe it can even continue. We have to wait and watch on that point. When crude is, this is a daily time frame, you can see that $50 to $49 proved to be a major support all these days, like in June 2019, then in August 2019, then during October 2019. But whereas when the current scenario is considered, you can very well see that the day candles have broken that and closed well below that. That is in 49.50 ranges. So this indicates that the 50 to maybe 51 to $50 support range will not act as a support anymore. Rather, it would act as a resistance. That is what I am expecting. That is, this zone, that is 51 to 50 zone, was completely broken and it traded well below to the zones of 49.30 ranges. So now crude is heading back to 50 to 51 ranges. So as per me, this is nothing but the retest of the broken zone. So I am expecting crude to retest 51.50 to 51.80 range, and this is supposed to be a daily supply zone as well. Crude was in a channel since today morning. Like, it was about to form a channel, but the channel was broken and it started moving above. And when you take a closer note, like how the range was broken and all, crude just broke the recent resistance, and there was a tight consolidation in this area, which clearly indicates that buyers are in control. That is, the buyers were able to push the price from here till here. I'll give it in drawing. So buyers were able to push it from here till here, but sellers failed to push it back again. So this clearly indicates like buyers are in control and sellers are weak. On the other hand, we don't see greater volume and rise in open interest. I am talking with respect to WTI crude. So this trend will not last for a longer time. That is, this is nothing but maybe a consolidation zone or a distribution zone. Hopefully it should be a distribution, because the smart money would have already sold their positions around $63 to $64, and they might be covering as of now, but still more to come. What happened on a larger note is crude was following a clear downtrend from here till here, the support of $50 to $51 range, and from here it just bounced up till 51, almost close to 52, and from there again it tested the same support zone which it tested previously, that is 49.60. again it is bouncing back from the same zone. And at this point, considering the open interest and other substances, I don't find a solid reason for crude to travel above $52. So 51.50 to 52 will be a good range to enter a sell, and this should be definitely followed after a clear indication of a rejection candle or a trend changing candle, whatever way you can call it as, like a doji or a shooting star, gravestone doji, like etc. So for that you have to be familiar with the candlestick patterns. So once that pattern is formed, and if you see a reversal picture, definitely you can go for a sell, and for that the target would be 49.50 ranges again. So this is kind of a box trading as well, but after the first bounce back, again it is bouncing back to the same zone. Let's see whether the support is, like, whether the resistance is able to hold this or not. So for today, that is for inventory. If you are getting crude at lower prices, definitely you can go for a buy. That is, these buyers will be saving the new buyers as well. They will not let the price fall below. That is where the consolidation happened. So on the rough note, that is, here we deal everything with probabilities. So when you consider here, the maximum probability is towards 51.50 to $52. So it roughly comes around 70 cents to $1 from current range, which will come around 50 to 70 points in MCX Crude. So you can very well go for a buy, and stop loss will be below this rejection candle. So you can roughly take it this zone. So I'll just mark it in red. If this zone is broken and closed, I like in any hourly candle, definitely you should be coming out. And I don't think so this channel will be valid again. Maybe you can find the first opposing force at this area, that is 49.85 to $49.71. That is provided 50.40 is broken and closed. So this is my view for today. Personally, I'm holding a buy, and I'm waiting to close it around $51.50. And definitely, if there is a rejection candle or any reversal candle seen in the middle of the way, definitely I'll not hesitate to close my position. I'll be coming out very soon. So this is the plan. If like the point what I mentioned about selling at higher range will not happen immediately. Like if you're selling today, if you got a price at higher zone, and if you see a price rejection candles there, or any reversal candles and reversal candlestick pattern, if you're selling there, definitely it will take another 2-3 days to test $49.50 again. So you should be patient enough to hold your positions, and kindly maintain sufficient fund in your account as well. And after the stop loss for this selling at higher zone will be discussed if we get an entry accordingly, like after seeing the price rejection and or the reversal candles. And once we are sure that it follows, then definitely I'll be updating about the stop loss zone as well. This is the plan for today, and make use of this inventory. I would suggest not to enter in the middle way, like rather wait and sell at the above area, or sell at the or wait for a perfect buy at lower zones. As of now, it's in buy. Alright, so previously many would have been confused about this channel. Yes, I was expecting crude to follow a channel, but on seeing this consolidation, I was pretty sure like this channel will be broken and traded above, and that is what happened. So this channel is no more valid. So maybe I'll remove this line which is not valid. So only this support line, that is the dynamic support, will be valid, and that total either this, if crude is falling back, either this should be able to hold, or this demand zone things should be able to hold. Trade safely, stick to technicals rather than sticking to the inventory data, because you have seen all these days how they manipulate the prices with respect to data and its outcome. So if you are sure about technicals, then definitely profit and the market will flow in your way. And thanks for watching, guys.